Welcome to iTalk You Talk. More the money you have, more the rich you are. More the rich you are, more the famous you become. In this video, we will check out the top 10 Indian billionaires. As usual, we'll start the video with an interesting fact. Do you know what is the total amount of tax collected in India? It is 3.2 trillion Indian rupees. That is 3,000,000,000 and not just that, 000 again. Seems a big money, but not actually. Many other developed countries collect much more than this. Coming back to the top 10. 10th place goes to Shapur Palanji Mistry. He is an Irish citizen, owns Sharonji Palanji Group that is into engineering, construction, infra, real estate, water, energy and financial services. His net worth is $11 billion. In Indian rupees, it's 82,500 crores. Ninth place goes to Cyrus Palanji Mistry, former chairman of Tata Group. He chaired during 2013 to 16. He is also an Irish citizen. His net worth is little above $11 billion. In Indian rupees, it's 83,000 crores. The 8th place goes to Cyrus Poonawalla. He is called as the Vaccine King of India, chairman of Poonawalla Group that comprises so many companies and includes Serum Institute of India, which is also into COVID vaccine research. His net worth is $12 billion. In Indian rupees, it's 90,000 crores. The 7th place is taken by Asim Premji, a business tycoon and a philanthropist. Chairman of Wipro, his net worth is $14 billion. In Indian rupees, it's 1 lakh crore. And interestingly, he always find a place in the list of 500 most influential Muslims in the world. 6th place goes to Uday Kotak. He is the MD of Kotak Mahindra Bank. From an upper middle class boy to a billionaire, he has got a very interesting and challenging career. His net worth is $15 billion. In Indian rupees, 1,10,000 crores. Number 5. Lakshmi Mittal, the steel magnate, also called as King of Steel, chairman of ArcelorMittal. His net worth is a little above $15 billion. In Indian rupees, it's 1,12,500 crores. And very recently, he donated 100 crores Indian rupees to PM Fund for COVID-19. Number 4. Shiv Nadar, founder of HCL. Born in a very small village, he went on to become an IT giant and a philanthropist. His net worth is $17 billion. In Indian rupees, 1,27,000 crores. 3rd place goes to Gautam Adani, chairman of Adani Group. From a son of textile merchant to a billionaire, which is nothing easy to accomplish. Adani Groups is into logistics, energy, infra, aerospace, defense, and many other businesses. His net worth is $17 billion. In Indian rupees, is 1,30,000 crores. The 2nd place goes to SP Hinduja. His net worth is $27 billion. In Indian rupees, it's 2 lakh crore. Here is an interesting fact of him. This is about one of his first coups. In 1960, he acquired the overseas rights of a Hindi movie, Sangam, and he released it in Middle East and other countries that earned him millions of Indian rupees. Finally, number 1 spot. Not to anyone's surprise, it is Mukesh Ambani, chairman of Reliance Industries, the man who is ready to sweep Indian telecom industry, and his net worth is $67 billion. In Indian rupees, it's whopping 5 lakh crores. Here is an interesting fact about Mukesh Ambani. He is a strict vegetarian and a teetotaler. Hope you liked the video and it was informative. Please do put in your comments and critics. Thank you.